Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person has got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I have an order at 39.70 here for a call. I'm doing options. If you don't know what options means, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a guide completely free put together called The Big Basics of Options. And I'll walk you through the basics, terminology, all that sort of stuff. Okay, getting close. Go 39.10 now. Some people make options very complicated. They can be very advanced. I take more of the simplified approach to them. So if you're someone that likes to play more so approach things in a more simpler way, then like I said, let me know in the comment section and I'll link you to that guide. All right, I will pause for now and I'll keep an eye on it, see if it gives me a chance. All right, gonna go for call here at 40.50. All right, well, did not want to fill me there, so maybe I'll try again, but as of now, looks like I was a little too slow, so I will pause. Have an order at 37.10. Well, that was the move I was looking for, and it did not fill me, so we got to go to 36.10 now. So if it wants to drop down a bit more, actually, I'm going to do this now. 35.70, but then go for a bit more of a gain. All right, I'll pause. I might have missed that. Sorry. I don't know if I captured the entry point or not. I got in at 43.70 and basically a second later I was out for $80. So maybe I captured that, but it happened so fast. So I apologize if I was not able to capture that. But quick trade there. All right, I'll pause. Just real quickly, in case you're not familiar with my screen, you can see down here is where I bought right there at 43.70, and you can see that, so the entire process lasted 4 seconds. So right here, I threw my order out there at 9:45.25, and then I was out at 9:45.29. So the trade itself was only a second, couple seconds, but there was a little bit of secondage. I don't think that's a word, where I threw the order out there. The order waited a couple seconds to get filled. After it got filled, then I was able to get out all within 4 seconds. But from the time that I got filled to the time I got out, like I said, that was literally just seconds there. But overall, to make it simple, we'll just call it $80 in 4 seconds, because that's, right there, you have the timestamps without overcomplicating about how the system actually is doing those times. But there we go. Well, if this thing wants to pull back, well, really in either direction right now, because some interesting, I'm almost wondering, do I want to pick up another put here and see if it wants to come down? But I'm not willing to commit to that quite yet. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, need to 39.70 here. Looking for a break here. So try to there we go. There's the break. Let's see if we can get some more movement up. I'm in and out for $90 there. So again, $90 within just a few seconds. So 50, so 5. I'm trying to do some mental. Okay, let's change strike prices. Again, if all this terminology, what are you talking about? Change strike prices. Again, all that is in that guide. So just let me know down below. But once again, that was $90 within just a few seconds. So these have been very, very quick trades, which I like. I'm not complaining about these sorts of gains at all. especially to keep things in that much more perspective. It's about 10, 15, so 45 minutes, and I'm up 170 with commissions. Let's call it 165. I'm not familiar, and I don't say this to brag. I say it to build perspective, because I understand you can look around social media and see numbers way bigger than this. But I mean, would you ever go up to somebody that makes 25 bucks an hour and complain about making 165 in 45 minutes? I don't think you would. I definitely wouldn't. Why? Well, because that would make you seem like a deranged, greedy savage. So yes, social media can sometimes, detach you from reality when you see huge numbers. But in all actuality, right now, feeling pretty good. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 32.70. Nope, that's what I needed. So I got to go to 31.10 now. All right, I'll pause, but keep a close eye on it. All right, going to try for put here at 38.50 and out for $50. That one lasted maybe 5 seconds. So that's good. If this thing wants to come up some more, then I'll be ready for it. But another quick $50. I will, please tell me I hit record. All right, I am recording. Very good. So I will pause. I have an order at 39.50. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that out though now. And let's look for an actual fake break of this area. So let's go to 36.10 now. Throw an order out there. I will go ahead and pause. I have an order at 34.70. Okay, got to go to 33.70 now. I will go ahead and pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's almost 11:30, not quite, but just to make the math easy and to once again build perspective, let's just call it 11:30. So, and let's just call my gains 200. With commissions, it's probably like 210-ish, but let's just call it 200. So 2 hours, $200. I am more than grateful for $100 an hour. So making $100 an hour as a side hustle, if you're new to the channel, this is not a full-time gig. I'm a believer in multiple streams of income. So I have real estate, I have the trading, I have my teaching business at claytrader.com. I have other things going on. I do some stuff with personal finance courses. So I have a lot of streams of income. So this is just one of them. So yeah, if I can make $100 an hour, and it's not like I'm over here, I'm sitting in my comfortable clothes, hanging out with my kids and family. So I will definitely take that. Once again, to reiterate, I'm not saying any of that to brag. I'm saying it to build context against that social media stuff that you see with the private jets, the Lamborghinis, huge gains, huge numbers. But the reality of the situation is $100 an hour, not too bad. Particularly when I didn't really get any sort of fantastic setups, I'll still take it. So that's all I have for you. $100 per hour. So 100 or $200, 2 hours. I'm happy with that. Again, if you want to learn more about options, let me know just by putting guide, please, and I will link you to that free guide, and you can learn more about options, which are a great choice for potentially those of you with smaller accounts. So hit that like button if you enjoyed. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.